हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आज रेलिंग बना रहा हूँ। 14 फीट लंबा, 3 फीट चौड़ा है। आप लोग देखकर बताएं क्या मैं सही बना रहा हूँ।
I've been dead in water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. I won't hide to break apart. Don't tell me why I can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? I'm the break of dawn.